Hi math learners, today we're doing 20% of 60 and Jerome has a really good idea that I'm going to share with you today. So he told me to actually write down 20%. And what he said is this actually means 100 cents, and so he said 20 per 100. So here I have 100 things, and I'm going to show you what 20 per 100 looks like. So I'm just going to replace 20 of them. So there's 10, and then another 10. And so that's what 20 per 100 looks like. So there's 10 in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 rows. Okay, so he said that's 20% of 100, but he really needs 20% of 60. So he said, that's fine, I'll just actually look at 60 of them. So here's 10, then 20, $30, $40, $50, and $60. So this is 60. And if you look at the 20%, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 2 rows, so it's 12 is right here. So he said, look, 20% of 60 is 12. What great ideas. Hi everyone. I was working with this amazing student named Latoya and figuring out 20% of 60. Now what she told me was that 20% makes her think about 1/5 or dividing by 5. She said she thinks of that because 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so what she wants to do is she wants to divide 60 by 5. So I've got 60 things here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so there's 6 in each row, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what she said is, she said, I'm going to make 5 equal groups. So let me show you what that looks like. So here is 1 equal group, and she's making 5 of them. So 2 equal groups, 3 equal groups, and I'll just circle them for you. There's 1, here's a second one, here's a third one, here's a fourth one. And she said, so 20% is one of these, how much is in one of these equal groups. So let me just change the color on one of them because I'll count how many are in here. Okay, so here it is right here. And then she told me, look Tina, 20% is actually dividing by 5. So if 60 divided by 5, she said, look, I know that 50 divided by 5 is 10, right? So, and then what she has to do is she just has to do 10 divided by 5. So that's going to be 2. So there should be 12 here. So let's make sure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we've got 2 of them. So 20% of 60 is 12. What great ideas.